My name is Mateo. I live in a small house in Villavicencio. My house is white and has a red door. It is next to a big park. I live with my parents and my sister. My father is a doctor and my mother is a teacher. My sister is only 5 years old and she is very funny. Every morning I wake up at 6 o'clock. Then I eat breakfast with my family. After that, I go to school by bus. My school is near the library and the bakery. My favorite subject is English. I like my teacher because he is kind and patient. After school, I go to the park with my friends. We play soccer and run. The park is clean and has many trees. There is also a small fountain and colorful flowers. On Saturdays, I go to the zoo with my uncle. He is a vet and works with animals. I love the lions and monkeys. Sometimes we visit the museum or the cinema. The museum has old things, and the cinema has new movies. My favorite movie is about superheroes. Then we go home. My city is beautiful, and I like living here.